Adobe Photoshop gives the flexibility to change its screen mode, change its appearance and interface colors. A different desktop color may be needed when we want to visualize our creative against a particular color, maybe white, light blue or light green. Let's see how we can change the appearance and interface colors of Photoshop. With reference to this creative, in case I want to change the desktop color or the screen mode of Photoshop, what would I do? I would just click anywhere outside this canvas or outside this creative. So right click. Currently black is selected, so you can see a black color here. Or we can also select dark gray, medium gray, light gray or any custom color by choosing the custom color from here. I have chosen a very light blue custom color. Click on OK, and now if I click on any color and then go to custom color, I would be able to see my creative against a light blue color. So this is how we can change the screen mode of Photoshop by just right clicking on this ground area which is outside the canvas or our creative. Then to change the interface colors of Photoshop, we will go to edit, then we'll go to preferences and interface. By clicking on interface, we get this box, and then we would be able to click on this color, gray, light gray or white. Any color we can choose, or black. If we like black, we can choose black, medium gray, light gray or white. Then to change the screen mode, we can also click on this drop down and click on default, black, medium gray or any custom color by selecting a custom color from the color picker like this, and then we can click on OK. And we can also choose our highlight color. For now it is blue. And where does it appear? It appears when we select a layer. You see, when I select a layer, it is highlighted with the blue color. If I go to edit, then go to preferences and interface, and if I change the highlight color to default, see, it has been turned into light gray color, and click on OK. Now it is not blue, it is a default color which is light gray. To again change it to blue, I would again go to edit, preferences and interface and select my highlight color as blue and then click on OK. But before that, I would change the color theme. This is how we change the desktop colors or screen mode of Photoshop by just right clicking here and then selecting any color or choosing a custom color. That's it for this video. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.